A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meters, and is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the ground, whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 m, and inclined at an angle of 60 degrees to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case?
Let the length of the slide below the age of 5 years is equals to BC. Given height of the slide equals 1.5 meters. Sine 30 degrees is equal to AB by BC. 1 by 2 is equal to 1.5 by BC. Therefore BC is equals to 3 meters. The length of the slide below the age of 5 years is equals to 3 meters. From the second situation, let the length of the slide for elder children equals BC. Given height of the slide is equals to 3 meters. Sine 60 degrees is equals to AB by BC. Root 3 by 2 is equals to 3 by BC. Therefore BC is equals to 6 by root 3 or 2 root 3 meters. Length of the slide for elder children is equals to 2 root 3 meters.